All right, good morning, y'all. This is a little unexpected. This is Sunday morning. It's obviously starting to be really gorgeous weather, which this week is going to turn around and be crap. But so had a little change of plans when it comes to the other Fairmont that I got. If you guys have seen that, if not, go click the link. Go check that video out. We went to Philadelphia, and when I got my heads, we found a Fairmont. It was like, we're going to do a drag and drive vehicle out of that, possibly over time is what we were thinking. But had a change of heart. Main reason, found out that the rules are very much in favor of Whitey, the twin turbo Coyote car, much more in favor of that. In the I don't have to have a cage to run a certain ET, so that thing should be able to do everything that we need and still have a good time and do everything. It's just more attuned to drag and drive. So with the way that our summer or early or spring is going, and these birds are going crazy. I don't know if y'all can hear them, but I just knew that racing is going to be down, unfortunately. It's not a bad thing. It's family. It is what it is. I'm excited to see my boy do stuff, play ball. I decided that I would like for us to have something more that we could use as a family, something that I can just get in and go have fun, go to some cruise-ins, do some stuff that is not really racing oriented. So some of you may like this, some of you may not. Don't really care, to be honest with you. I think it's going to be awesome from a channel standpoint. I mean, I'm looking at it now, and I have always wanted an early 60s or a 60s model Ford. I had a 67 Fairlane Shell at one time, but I've never had a running car. So let me show you the new purchase that I went and scooped up yesterday, and we're going to go through it a little bit here today. I'm pretty excited about it. Let me show you. So this is now my 1963 Ford Galaxie, and I gotta say, I'm pretty pumped about it. Pretty pumped. 352 FE car. It's got a Holley Sniper 2-barrel. It's had a bunch of stuff that's been redone to it, and it currently has a wrap on it that is a little rough, but that's sort of why I love this thing for what it is. Extremely reasonable price. Shout out to Kyle from, it was up in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Cut me a great deal. We got to talk about a bunch of stuff. Fellow 4Runner guy, fellow Ford guy, big block Ford guy, nitrous guy, just like, the awesome thing about cars is the people you get to meet. It's just a tool to be able to meet people and have a good time. And we spent 2 hours talking to each other. I mean, it was just awesome. Yesterday after Cashin's practice, I was like, let's go. I went ahead and we got rid of the other 4-door, and I was like, we need another 4-door, Unfortunately, finding 2 doors, these things are really, really, really expensive now. And I'm sort of excited to see what my pawpaw thinks. My pawpaw is a big Ford guy. He's they own Starliners and Galaxies and stuff like that. And he's starting to forget things as he's getting older, but I'd like to take him for a ride in this. And this is really like our ice cream cruise vehicle, and I'm going to take you guys along on it. Hopefully you know, hopefully I don't change my mind and get rid of this thing too, but hopefully I can take you guys along on the ride of making this thing a little nicer. So show you the interior here. It is probably one of the things that needs done. The seat obviously needs some love. You know, door panels need some love. It's got the carpet replaced. Pretty cool steering wheel here. Gold, if it'll focus cancel. There we go. So thing I don't like, somebody jacked up the thing to put a radio in it. You can see the Holley Sniper. I wish they would have done the Holley this like they did the Holley Sniper, just did it below. That's what I wish, but it is what it is. We do got a clock over there, pretty sweet. Back seat, do have a headliner in the back trunk. So, but this thing is pretty legit. We're actually getting ready to, I like the little, I think this thing was definitely, you know, this has been modded a few times. It's got like these gold, I don't even know what you want to call those. If you know what these are, let me know. But like this trim, there's little pieces have came off. These are little things that I can find and you know, redo, get this thing back to its former glory. But I'd like to get the seats reupholstered. I don't even know where I could take those, but pretty sweet. I don't know anything about these old cars. If you know anything about them, or know somebody, let me know. I'm pretty pumped about it. I don't even know what that's from. Oh, probably this. Yeah, from the door. So anyways, it does come with it came with these American Racing 17s, which I like pretty good. Yeah, definitely not. I'm gonna have to take the aperture up a little bit. The thing's so bright. So front bumper has been painted. I'm sure it's chrome underneath of there. I love it, boys. I don't know. I'm getting ready to unload it here and pull it around, and I have to work Jenna into it. She's not a huge fan just yet, but so let's get this thing off of here. All right, y'all sit there for a minute. Let's see here. I haven't ran it since yesterday, so let's see here. This is also one of the first cars I've ever had the ignition on the left. I mean, it's crazy. Got an electric fuel pump. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, there's something with the deal here. It's a little cold starty. Y'all hear that? Give it a little fuel this morning. Get her warmed up. I'm not sure if the gas gauge works. I didn't even ask him. This is so cool. I don't care what you say. This thing is just freaking sweet. I do think I'm gonna look up the VIN tag and see. I think it may have originally been a black car. I mean, unless this dash could have been painted, I'm sure. But I would like to figure out, you know, what it originally was. I wonder if these wipers. Don't think the wipers work. Oh, yes they do. Wow. Wipers do work. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna let this thing idle a little bit here. Oh, she's still a little, what do you call it? Cold-natured. All right, there we go. I think the IAC sensor is a little wonky on it, but never had a 2-barrel. It's pretty crazy. So, all right, I'm gonna throw you up on the dash here and pull this thing out of here. All right. So let's see if you stay up there, because you are just on my big camera. Here we go. It's a Green Dot Cruise-O-Matic, I think is what they call this thing. It does need a, this thing. It does need a, what do we call it here? Oh, gas pedal. Does need a gas pedal. I need to shave too. But let's take this thing around the block here just real quick. It does have manual brakes, so that is going to be something for us to let Jenna know about if she goes to drive this thing, because like if it goes like this hill, I'm putting a lot of pressure. Oh, this thing is a boat. I love it. I absolutely love this thing. I've got a lot to learn about these cars. Like, I did not know about the Cruise-O-Matic or whatever this transmission is, where Green Dot is first. If you put it in the second D, it's in starts out in second, and then L all the way down is first, and you have to shift it up. Man, this thing is just sweet. Y'all hear it? It's got great tone. Love it. Love this thing. Just love it. So let's take it up here, get her warmed up here. The generator light does stay on because it's been swapped over to a alternator. Little things. Man, it's just the coolest, boys. I don't know. I'm sure some of y'all know. Oh, we still got the. Go. I think the windshield wipers have a mind of their own. So, man, this thing is sweet. No air conditioning, you know, stuff that Jenna's gonna have to deal with, but not a big deal. California stop. First big block, like FE motor that I've ever owned, that was running. So oh man, this is just sweet. Runs nice and cool, and I have a coolant temp sensor. Everything is hooked up to the Holly, which is sweet. I would love, which this is like a Gen 2, I think he said. I'd love to get it to where I could have the oil pressure on that. I think right now it just has a dummy light is what he told me, which I'm fine with. Let's go up this hill. Let's go Galaxie. Oh man, this thing is just so cool. Sorry. Oh, we spun the tire a little bit. So, all right, I'm gonna pull this thing down into my driveway here and finish this deal out. See what this thing. I'm gonna actually back up here. 1 second. This thing is there. Oh, bam! There we go. Got the old hot rod mirror. We gotta adjust the mirrors a little bit, but all right. Key off. Man. All right. All right. So to say that I love this thing would be the understatement of the century. I am extremely satisfied with my purchase. Getting up here close, you can see that he had a car cover. He believed that it just baked the wrap, so like the wrap is coming off in some spots. That, I mean, we need to get under here and probably peel it off and either redo it or see what's going on underneath. I do know it needs a little bit of body work in some spots, but nothing crazy. But man, I mean, what do you say? Like, it's just freaking awesome, boys. Y'all let me know what you think. What should I do down in the comments? What I know I didn't pop the hood or anything like that. I don't, but we'll leave that for the next video. We'll go over what we've got going on in there. Are we going to do anything? Doubt it. Highly doubt it. All right, so I'm a pretty happy camper. Like I said, it's about ready time to get to church. That's really what I want. This is gonna be a Sunday cruiser. Go get ice cream. Go to our cool cruising nights, like our Main Street cruise here in our hometown. Whenever, like for the next month or two, like, well, I'm not gonna be able to just drop and go race the Zephyr. We're going to, that night after baseball games, we can cruise this thing to town and go have ourselves a good time. So let me know what you like to see. Do you like the old content of the 1963? I'm pretty pumped about it. I'm not gonna lie. I love this thing. I'm a Ford guy. It just is what it is. I looked for Impalas. I would have bought Impala. Those are like gold. I almost bought a Mercury Meteor, which is very similar to this, but somebody got a deposit on it. Then I messaged this guy and was like, let's go look at it. I like it having the Holly. I'm not a carb guy. I don't know anything about it. It does still have the original or A2 barrel in the trunk. So, and we've also got we got new glass for the driver's side window in the trunk as well, because we're probably gonna put that in, and then we're gonna probably get Barlow to tint it for us, because I think tint will make a huge difference. And just, I mean, it looks good anyways, but like, you got to tint it. So, all right guys, that's enough for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. We are going to the dyno with the Zephyr this Thursday, upcoming Thursday. We're going to see if those heads gave us the power that we need to continue on this no prep stuff. So, all right, appreciate it guys. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the